Are you an institutional investor looking to enter the digital asset space but are worried about the security of your assets? Do you need a regulated, compliant, and easy-to-use solution for your firm's crypto holdings? If so, you're not alone. The digital asset market is growing rapidly, but for institutional players, custody and security are paramount. This is where Gemini Custody comes in, providing an institutional-grade solution that combines the highest levels of security with seamless, user-friendly access. So, how does it work? First and foremost, Gemini Custody is a qualified custodian. This means we are a New York chartered trust company, and as a fiduciary, we are required to protect our clients' assets with the highest standard of care. This is a crucial distinction and a testament to our commitment to security and compliance. Our security is multi-layered. We use a combination of offline cold storage, multi-signature technology, and geographically distributed, access-controlled facilities. The private keys that control your assets are never connected to the internet and are protected by multiple layers of biometric access controls and physical security. But security doesn't come at the cost of accessibility. Gemini Custody offers a seamless user experience with a self-service account portal and APIs. You can easily check balances, initiate withdrawals, and access monthly statements. And with our Gemini Instant Trade feature, you can trade directly from your cold storage assets on the Gemini exchange without the delays of a traditional withdrawal. This gives you the best of both worlds, institutional-grade security with the liquidity and flexibility you need. For larger institutions, we also offer robust account management tools, including the ability to create and manage sub-accounts for different clients or portfolios. This, along with our transparent and auditable transaction history, makes it easy to meet your internal and external reporting requirements. Onboarding is designed to be as straightforward as possible. Our team provides white glove service, guiding you through the account creation and documentation process. We're here to help you get set up and ensure you have the right mix of products to meet your unique needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.